Good day, sir. I will explain the common ship stresses and its counteract. Ang usa ka barko kay mag-encounter of different kinds of stresses while at the sea, which can cause damage if not handled well. The first is hugging. This happens when the ship's ends bend downwards, either because the middle is overly supported by a wave or there's too much nga karga at the bow and stern. It's addressed by proper load distribution and using ballast tanks. The second one is sagging, the opposite of hugging, where the middle of the where ang middle sa barko is downwards because of a heavy load. The ends are lifted by waves, like hugging, proper load distribution, and ballast tanks are the counter measures. The third is sharing stress. This stress makes part of the ship's structure slide past each other, often due to an uneven distribution of weight. Structural members and careful cargo planning help to resist it. Kaupat is torsional stress or twisting. This is a twisting stress on the entire nga barko because caused by uneven wave forces along the line. It resisted by incorporating strong transverse and longitudinal strength members in the design. Ang ikalima is panting. This kani kay nag-refer to the in and out movement of the plating at the bow and stern caused by pulsating water pressure. Painting frames and stringers are built in